In this video, you'll learn how to find your Binance referral ID. This process involves navigating through the Binance interface to locate your unique referral code, which you can use to invite others to the platform. Begin by opening your web browser and navigating to the Binance website. Ensure that your internet connection is stable, as a slow connection may lead to longer loading times. Once the page loads, you should see the Binance homepage featuring various cryptocurrency trading options and market data. Next, locate and click on the highlighted area on the homepage, which is typically positioned at the top or center. This action will direct you to your account dashboard. Make sure you can see your account details displayed prominently on the screen, confirming that you are in the right place. After that, find the option labeled Referral in the menu. Clicking on this will take you to the referral program interface. You should see options related to your referral activities, including links and statistics regarding your referrals. Once this appears, click on the section labeled Referral Lite. This will lead you to a simplified version of the referral program. You will recognize this screen by the layout that emphasizes ease of navigation, allowing you to manage your referral links. Continuing, click on the highlighted text that prompts you to refer and earn fee rebates. This section provides details on how you can benefit from referrals. Make sure to read any information presented to understand the incentives. Next, look for the link that mentions earning up to $1,000 in fee rebates when your referred friend deposits and trades. After clicking on this, you should see additional details about the rebate program, which is essential for maximizing your earnings. Following that, click on the invite via option. This will present you with various methods to share your referral link. Choose the method that suits you best, whether it be social media, email, or direct link sharing. Finally, locate and click on the text that displays your referral ID, which is usually formatted as CPA_00PQ3 2KU. This is your unique code that you can share with others. After clicking, you should see a confirmation that your referral ID has been copied to your clipboard, making it easy to share. And that completes the process. Thanks for following along. See you next time.